Yeah, everyone, can you find the number that replaces this question mark? So we have given 1 plus 4 equal 5. That's correct. 2 plus 5 equal 12. No. 3 plus 6 equal 21. So what is 8 plus 11? So can you replace the question mark or did you crack the logic? If you haven't, watch my solution in this video. Before beginning the solution, I want to say that if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, I ask you to subscribe it and hit the notification bell because here on the channel we daily uploaded free videos that train your mind in reasoning as well as basic to advanced math. So now take a good look to the resolution. 1 plus 4 is 5. That's correct. 2 plus 5 is 12. No. So 1 plus 4 is 5. How? If I multiply the number instead of adding, so I get 1 times 4 is 4 and then add the number 1, the initial digit. So I get the 5. Apply the logic. Instead of addition, multiply. 2 times 5 is 10 and then add the first digit, that is 2. 10 plus 2 is 12. Yes, it's applicable. Check it again. 3 times 6 is 18 and 18 plus 3 is 21. So what replaces the question mark? 8 plus 11, 19? No. So 8 times 11 is 88 plus 8 is equals to 96. So what replaces the question mark? 96. Comment down below if you already cracked the logic of this logical sequence. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.